Who's going to pick up the kids from school today? Thomas, honey, I have to go to my aunt's place this afternoon.
Okay, I will make dinner myself.
How about the kids? Who's going to pick up the kids from school today?
Let me do it. The kids have been eager to have some bubble tea, so I will buy them some on the way.
Thomas, what have I been telling you about giving the kids sweets? It's not good for them.
I know. But look, those will be their first bubble tea in 2 months. What can go wrong?
Fine. Can you buy me one too?
Well, now the mom also wants sweets, after scolding her husband for buying them for the kids.
So, will you buy or not?
I will, for sure. But how would you answer if the kids ask? Like, why can mom have it while we can't?
Don't let them see mine, you fool.
Okay.
That's it, hun. I love you. How long have we had these leftovers in the fridge? It's been a long time since our last cleaning of the fridge.
Yeah. Wow, what is this?
Some leftovers from a meal.
How long have we had these leftovers in the fridge?
It should be more than 2 weeks.
Let's see if it's edible.
What? Of course it's not.
Come on, it looks fresh. I bet they're still tasty after being heated up.
No, definitely no. Even if they're tasty, there must be something changed inside. They may be poisonous.
What can be wrong? In the past, I used to eat these leftovers, and nothing happened.
Yeah, nothing happened at that time, but plenty of things happen today. We've just come back from the clinic last week because of your stomach ache. You want to spend money on that again?
Well, no. You're right, but I think throwing them away is wasting.
What do we do?
We have a whole garden, don't we? We can't eat these, but the trees and flowers can.
Yeah, I get it.
So let's bury these under the plants.
We don't even have to buy fertilizer. I think we should repaint the living room.
Okay. I believe that with the kitchen, we just need to repair the cupboard.
Yeah, we will change its ventilation unit too. What else do we need to do?
I think we should repaint the living room.
Why? It is still good.
Not as good as you think. Recently, water has spread through the wall and damaged the old paint. Besides repainting, we have to replace the old wall layer with a new one. Then add waterproof paint on the wall outside.
Gosh, why do we finish one problem and then others keep occurring?
That's what happens with an old house. Quit whining. It solves nothing.
If so, we should examine all the other parts of the house before refurbishing it. Otherwise, fixing one part may cause other damage to follow.
You are right. Let's start from the roof.
My phone's battery is almost dead. Teacher, do we have a socket here?
There are some. Why?
My phone's battery is almost dead while I'm relying on it to read the material.
That's a disadvantage of technology. When you don't have electricity, you're done.
Sorry, Mr. Brown. I should have printed the material you sent. So, which one can I use?
Just the one closest to you.
Mr. Brown?
What else?
My connector is too short to use any sockets around. Can you find me an extension cord?
Ugh. Should I make printing material a must for my class?
I'm sorry, but it's just this time.
Let me take a look in the cabinet. You are so lucky. I have one right here. Come take it, and remember to return it at the class's end.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. Have you seen my watch?
Good morning, hon. Are you making breakfast? Have you seen my watch?
Yeah, it is on the table in the kitchen.
Thanks. Wait, why is it there?
You are so forgetful. Don't you remember what you did yesterday?
What did I do?
Last night, when you got home, you were so drunk. Then, you decided to make some food, though it was 11 p.m. already. You took off your clothes and this watch, scattered them all around the kitchen.
But where are the clothes?
Who do you think cleaned them up for you?
Oh, that's definitely you. Well, thanks anyway.
Next time, tell me when you have to drink. At least I can go get you and bring you home in one piece. And I don't have to clean up your things as yesterday.
Okay, I'm sorry. I will tell you next time.
What would you like for dinner tonight?
You're home, Olivia.
Hi.
What would you like for dinner tonight?
Whatever.
Hey, what's the matter with you? Why the long face?
Sorry, William. I'm too busy recently. I don't even have time to think about eating.
Meal is important.
Yeah.
Listen, Olivia, I don't know about your business, but your health is above all. If you are tired, have some rest.
Then who will take care of this company?
I don't care about your company. I care about you. There are millions of businesses to do in this world, but you only have one stomach. Can you replace it once it breaks down?
No, but if the company goes bankrupt, then...
No, you are still here and I've got your back. The company will be okay, as long as you care about your health and emotions.
I get it, hon.
Now, take a while to think about what you want, then take a shower, then go to bed. I will call you when things are ready.
Thank you, William, my love. Let's try to fix this leaky faucet ourselves. Harry! The faucet is leaky.
Let me see.
It is critical. I will call the plumber.
No, it's simple. Let's try to fix this leaky faucet ourselves. What can go wrong?
And now it goes terribly wrong.
How can it be? I'm sure that I was following the instruction video.
You are not a plumber. You just can't do it.
Hey, don't despise me.
I'm not despising you. It's a fact that each one does their own job. Yours is designing, not fixing faucets.
What are we doing now?
Block the water and let me call a professional.
Ugh. The cost is $180 in total. What does it include?
It's $100 for repairing the faucet, $40 for the new cable, and another $40 for the new gasket.
Oh my God! I should have not touched anything.
My dear, you don't need to know everything. This is a lesson. Just focus on what you're good at. We're out of coffee beans again.
2 cups of coffee to table 3, Oliver.
Oh, hell no. Boss, we're out of coffee beans again. How many times do I have to tell you all about preparing the coffee beans? Now customers are ordering. Chill, boss. I have a solution. What solution? I have some instant coffee. We can make them that instead. You want this restaurant to be closed down? No, sir. This is just temporary. Just tell them that we're having a shortage of coffee beans, and this is a substitution. If they get upset, you'll be fired. Okay. Just mix them in some other flavors. Let me handle it.
Boss, the customers want to have more coffee. The one we made from instant coffee.
What? Really?
Yeah. They even said that they would try it next time.
Gosh. Call Oliver.
Can you check if the mail has arrived?
Helen, did they tell you the way they reply?
Yeah, they would send me an email even if I get accepted or rejected.
When will they send?
It must be today.
Can you check if the mail has arrived?
Not yet. Why are you so rushing?
Why not? I'm eager to know if you can get the job.
I will get the job, Liam. And even if I can't, it's okay.
No, it's not okay. We've been married for 2 months, and now both of us don't have a job.
Stop being anxious. You are still making money.
Of course I am, but it's not much. How can we sustain if we have a kid?
What are you afraid of?
Many. Food, items, gas, electricity. How can I not be afraid?
Oh, it arrives.
Quick, let's see what it says.
You don't have to worry anymore, dear. They offered me the position.
Yes! Congratulations.
I forgot to set the alarm last night. Chloe, wake up! You're late already. What? What time is it? It is 8 right now, milady. Oh my God. I forgot to set the alarm last night. Don't you know that you can set your alarm daily on your phone? Really? I can do it. What year are you living in? All modern phones can do it. Talk to you later. I have to go to school right now. I don't want to miss any more lessons. What lesson? At school, of course. Now you even forget that today is Saturday? Oh, so what is late? How forgetful you are. Yesterday, you told me you would have a date today with Brian at 8 a.m. Oh my God, I remember it. Has he arrived? Yeah, he's out there in the living room waiting for you. Luckily, he is a decent and patient man. Now get up and brush your teeth, or I will tell him to leave. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.